Welcome everyone to Weekly News and DW with Major Tidbits, and the topic for this video is Heidi Mendoza cancelled ng kakampiks. Gaano ba dapat kaperpekto sa ating ideals ang isang kandidato para suportahan? Kailangan ba lahat ng ating gusto ay sang-ayon ang kandidato para ikampanya ng house to house? Bakit ba kada mali o hindi pagkakaunawaan ay dapat na nating talikuran when just a few minutes ago, they're on top of our list? A week or so ago, kinuha sa mga pumuntang tumatakbong senador ang kanilang mga opinyon sa issue sa UP Diliman sa pangunguna ng tinig ni Plaridel, the official student publication of UP College of Media and Mass Communication. A torrent of people na nooy sumusuporta sa dating COA auditor dahil nga in-endorse siya ni VP Leni Robredo, former VP Leni Robredo, pati ng mga posthumous findings ng mga admiration ni dating Senador Miriam Defensor Santiago. A torrent of people na nooy sumusuporta sa dating COA auditor Heidi Mendoza are turning against her dahil sa kanyang qualified no sa same-sex union at SOGI bill. Kasama na ang kanyang no vote sa abortion. I mean, imagine that. All of the praise she got from people, paghalongkat ng kanyang mga achievements, pagbibista ng katiwalian, even a pre/technically posthumous endorsement of the late glorified Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. She was endorsed by Mama Leni, pero biglang nawala ang lahat ng suporta dahil sa kanyang no votes or even qualified no votes sa same-sex union at SOGI bill. Why are they so quick to leave objectively good leaders behind just because they do not agree on every single thing perfectly? Granted, most ng mga pinakita kong posts only has a few likes, retweets, replies, or views. Pero it's a symptom of a much larger at dangerous na precedent kung saan kailangan perpekto at completely align ang ating mga iboboto. We hold these people to such a high bar to the point na yung mga maliliit na, we enable people to easily pass through that high of a bar. Samantalang sila na mataas, mahirapan, bumaba for the bar. Okay, that doesn't really make sense as an analogy, but you get what I'm trying to say. Now, when they found out na Heidi isn't one of the Risa Ontiveros or AOC types of people, they lashed out sa SOGI and abortion stance niya. This is why we can't have nice things. I mean, you shouldn't just withdraw your support because they didn't agree with you on literally everything you stand for. Liberals and pseudo-leftists want everything to work perfectly, instantly, and without much friction. But that's not reflective of what governing is, especially when trying to revert back to the center after this much corruption, logical, political, and economically. Systematically entrenched ang mga ito, at kailangan natin unti-unting i-push to the center. Kasi matagal na tayong nasa kanan. Pumunta ang ating politika sa kanan at otoritarian. Ang kailangan natin ay isang steady na kamay, steady na course of action, at higit sa lahat, ease the Filipino people to a much more centrist and eventually leftist candidates. Unti-untiin natin, wag i-push ang mga bagay na hindi magpapanalo sa mga objectively better candidates. I mean, politics is just a game. Politics is a game. At kailangan natin gawin ang lahat para little by little, we can push for SOGI or abortion or divorce without much friction or head turns. We first need for people in the seat of power to normalize acceptance and open-mindedness sa mga ganitong bagay. They don't have to agree or fervently agree on these things. Pero just the open-mindedness at saka yung acceptance. A air of acceptance and basically kindness. Lest we get bulldozed again by these senatoriables, yung mga nasa top 12 ngayon. Unahin muna natin na maayos ang bansa. Hindi natin kakayaning i-push sa iisang election sa ngayon ang mga progresibong banta. And step by step, we can push for these causes. Crudely call it delayed gratification. I mean, would you want the leading senatorial candidates be the one to push your agenda? Sila ba magagawa nila yon? Sila ba sa tingin mo magpupush sa mga gusto nating ideals? At least with these people, we can guarantee to move in the right direction kahit na hindi tayo nila dalhin sa gusto nating destinasyon. Kaya tayo natatalo ng kadiliman at kasamaan eh. Lagi tayo nag-aaway, infighting, political infighting. I mean, yes, your rights are not just political points, but bear with those qualified to implement and push for reforms and better the country first. Further progress will come soon thereafter.
Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Heidi Leose Mendoza. May asawa, ina ng 3 anak, taga-Tayabas, Quezon. Ako po ay nahirang na commissioner ng Commission on Audit at nahirang din po at napagkatiwalaan bilang Undersecretary General ng United Nations Internal Oversight Services. Marami na pong nagsabing lalabanan ang katiwalian. Marami na rin pong nagsabing minamahal ang bayan. Heto po ako, 27 taon ang kasaysayan ng pakikipaglaban ko sa katiwalian. Kayo po ang saksi. Ilang ulit po akong nalagay sa headline. Hindi lamang po ito pagsasalita. Ito po'y pagtayo. Ito ay pagtindig sa aking pinaniniwalaan at ipinaglalaban. Nung bumalik po ako sa New York noong 2018, nag-isip po ako ng paraan kung paano patuloy na mag-aambag. Naandun pong nag-paint ako, binenta ko yung painting ko, pambili ng laptop para sa mga batang walang laptop. Naandong nagpresenta akong magturo. Subalit, naisip ko po, ang lahat ng ito, ang lahat ng ating pinagkakapaguran para sa kinabukasan ng ating mamamayan, iisa lang po ang tugon. Labanan ng katiwalian. At ako, sa buong buhay ko, hindi lamang lumaban, tumaya at munti ka nang magbuwis ng buhay.
Ang video clip na ito ay galing sa aking series na News and Worthy Recap. Check the entire video for the complete weekly news recap and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date sa mga local at global news na I'll make sure would be interesting to you particularly. Di ko alam yung name mo pero you should subscribe. You Muhammad Smith? I don't fucking know. John Smith? Salamat sa manunod mga kabayan. For me, like, subscribe, follow my links in socials and avoid. Choose that would be linked down below. Sa susunod muli, of course, paalam.